Hello everyone, today we're gonna record another quick unboxing video. Just received this one. I was waiting for this package for almost 3 weeks, or maybe more than 3 weeks. Yeah, it's been a while. It's my first purchase from eBay, so let's cut through it and see what's inside. I gave you a hint in my previous unboxing video that this is quite exciting. I hope that everything is alright with the package. This one was traveling longer than usual. Nice packed. What I can see here. Another package. Alright, good thing that I got the scissor. This is gonna be my first vintage razor, and I'm excited yet cautious. This one is way older than me. I don't know what to expect, especially when it comes to the shaving. Here it is. Gillette Fatboy 59. There is some thoughtful cushioning placed inside, which is really good. Okay. I'm trying to be extra gentle with this one. You had the first view, better view than what I got after opening it. Excellent condition. There is a cartridge for razor blades over here. There is some, I think that there are no blades. This seems like the default cartridge. I'm not sure. Whatever the situation is, I'm not planning to use if there are any blades inside. Let's take a look at the razor itself. Seems to be in really good condition. Cleaned well. You can see the dial, the numbers. Yeah, it's opening. The date seems to be E1. I'm not sure if the camera will catch it, but this should be 1959. I need to check online. Yeah, excellent looking razor. And something that I learned some time ago is that you adjust the efficiency level only when the butterfly is open. So if you have one or you plan to buy one, take note of this, it's important. And here we are. Clicks very well. As I mentioned, very well cleaned and maintained. And the box is in really good condition as well, as you can see. So here we are, my first vintage razor, and we'll see if I'll get another one. For now I don't have desire, but you know how it is. It's a rabbit hole. Thanks for joining for this unboxing video. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this type of videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Maybe we'll shave with this one very soon. Take care, everyone.